Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is D Revolution. I've written 4 screenplays, 3 books. I've recorded 3 poetry CDs. This channel here is based on storytelling from a writer's perspective. I'm not an English professor. I'm just a person that's really love writing and have studied the craft of it for 30 years. So in this video, we're going to talk about the elements you need to make a great story. First, like and subscribe to my page. I really need subscribers. I need you to like the video. It'll help my algorithms go up. I need about a couple hundred likes on this. So, the elements you need to write an effective story is protagonist, which is the lead of your story or hero. You need an antagonist, which is an antagonist doesn't necessarily have to be a villain or somebody bad. An antagonist is can be anything that gets in the protagonist's way. And I've said this before. An antagonist could be a drug. It can be an alcohol. It can be a woman. It could be whatever takes the protagonist away from his goal or trying to achieve his goal can be the antagonist. One thing a lot of people don't talk about is the reflection character. There's always a reflection character, and there's always a reflection character in really most good films. A reflection character is somebody who supports the the protagonist. So basically, if I was the protagonist of a film, my best friend may be my reflection, because I'm able to talk to him about what's going on with me. I'm able to tell him what I'm trying to do. Now, those are 3 key elements that you need. Now, as far as characters in general, any characters in your film that plays, not film, I'm sorry, any characters in your story that plays a significant role, I always say that you have to establish a foundation for those characters. Meaning that if I was the lead in the story and I had a sister, well, what type of sister would I have? Would I have a sarcastic sister? Would I have an insecure sister? Would I have a mean sister? You have to give your characters some meaningful foundation in a personality in a way that is going to help move your story forward. If you have a sarcastic character, you can use that character to easily sew some information together later in your story, because they're sarcastic. So they're always going to say something sarcastic. But they just may say something sarcastic to make somebody say, wow, okay, yeah, well, you know what, maybe I should try it this way. Just based off them being sarcastic. So the thing is that when you are writing these characters, you have to give them some type of background, some type of history of how you want those particular characters to be. But your main 3 components, in my opinion, is protagonist, antagonist, and your reflection character. Please like and subscribe to my page. Peace. I'm D Revolution.